Safety is a priority here at Western Connecticut State University. With all of the technological advances in security systems, including using card access, cameras, using your phone to unlock doors, people often forget about the physical key as a potential vulnerability. We use the Traka system to put some technology around tracking those physical keys. We have 17 Traka cabinets with over 1,200 users, 542 items, and approximately 3,500 keys across both campuses.
In years past, people would carry a monstrous key ring that would inevitably get them into just about everything that they needed to. Using a key box system allows us to be able to authorize individual users to have access to individual keys in a building versus having to carry the keys to every building with them at all times.
The Traka cabinets are used by faculty, staff, students, administrators, contractors, affiliates. Everyone here who needs access into a secured location is using our Traka cabinets.
For years, our secretaries had to carry the master keys for professors who forgot their keys to their offices. Now they don't have to. They go to the box, remove the department master, unlock the doors, and put the keys back.
Western Connecticut State University has its own police department, and each of the officers uses a Traka system within the department to pull their duty tags for each shift. If there's ever an emergency event on campus, our police can respond directly to the building, use the key system in that building, and take the tags from that box to unlock areas within the building. There's no need to pause and stop at the police department in order to respond. The vehicles that we are managing through the Traka system include not only vehicles that our faculty, staff, employees can reserve, we also manage all of our maintenance vehicles through the key box as well.
Providing some level of control over that mechanical lock gives us a sense of security and a sense of stability, gives us a tracked record with a date and time stamp as to when somebody may have withdrawn a key from a key box, and gives us a little bit of an audit trail in the event that something does go bad.
The Traka system allows us to provide a convenience in an otherwise inconvenient world of physical security. Having the web-based platform for Traka has really saved us a lot of time and labor, so our locksmiths are able to program our key boxes no matter where they are on campus. We are also able to have our clerical staff in our front office manage updated card numbers as well as assign access through just a simple check of a box.
There was numerous times we've had ghosting in the databases, corrupt databases.
Communications to the boxes were always difficult. There was a sync function that sometimes worked, sometimes did not give any error indication.
Key boxes that were not strong enough to be on the wall.
Our biggest pain point with the legacy system was that the notches in their fobs had to be inserted face down. The problem with that was the system still allows you to return the fob even if the notch was facing in the up position. It then allowed the next user into the box to be able to pull that fob, and we would have no record.
The first major improvement I saw with the Traka system was the fobs. You could not put them in upside down. They went in any way you put them to the port, and they read. They read every time. You can run them over with a truck, and they'll still read.
As we've been rolling out the cabinets to our academic and administrative departments, the Traka cabinets, there has been an increased demand because our end users love using this system. Our future implementation plans for Traka include replacing all of the legacy cabinets that we have on campus. We will also be integrating the Traka system with our Secure 9000 access control system. And we will hope to be implementing more reporting for our end users to show the effectiveness and efficiency of the system.
The loss of a single master key could cost us as much as $20,000 to rekey an entire building. The incidental, incremental cost of having an electronic control system like the Traka key box system provides a much more cost-effective solution to avoid the inevitable expense of having to rekey a building.
It's important to me that our Faculty, staff, and students understand that we take key control very seriously. Using the key box systems, we can say we've accounted for all the master keys here at the university.